sacrum is AI.
On the side it points to.
On the side it's deviating
Okay.
too, yeah. Good job, babes. You feel good?
Yeah.
One more little squeeze. Good job. Hold on, I'm going to feel the rest of your back. I adjust very, very, very little in thoracics with kids. It's just usually not needed. And if you find any lumbars, just